Hello everybody and welcome back to another stand can tutorial. So this is the first video of the Eric the Elephant step-by-step guide just to help you along the way if you have bought this stand can crochet kit. So the first video is always just an unboxing and seeing what you actually get in your crochet kit, just in case you don't know or are an absolute beginner at crochet. So let's get started. Right, so we're going to start by just opening up and getting everything out of your crochet kit. So, first up, you have a bag of toy stuffing. You then have your bag with your pattern booklet, then your 2 crochet hooks and your, cotton, your black and white cotton. You then have down here 2 balls of Hello Love yarn. If I can get the other one out. You have 2 balls of Hello Love yarn. This is in the shade Misty Grey. And if I just undo these packets, just to have another look at the colour, it's this beautiful sort of like light grey. And you get 200 grams of that. The Eric the Elephant is one of the easiest snuggle buddies out of all of the ranges, as it's just one colour. There is no colour changing at all. You get everything you need to crochet your own adorable Eric the Elephant. So, with that in mind, let's get started with the tutorial.